need a repair. We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Today, we're tackling a common issue, a water-damaged HAP 15sfq1132ns laptop that won't turn on. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, isopropyl alcohol, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure to have a workspace that's clean and static-free. First, power off the laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery, if possible. This is crucial to prevent any further damage. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them later. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components. Look for any visible signs of water damage, such as corrosion or residue. If you notice any, it's time to clean the motherboard. Dampen your soft brush with isopropyl alcohol and gently scrub the affected areas. This will help remove any corrosion and debris. If you are unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess the damage and provide you with a clear path forward. After cleaning, let the motherboard dry completely. This is essential to ensure no moisture remains. While you wait, check the connectors and ports for any signs of corrosion. If you find any, clean them gently with the brush and alcohol as well. Once everything is dry, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight, but don't over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Before you power it on, if you don't have the tools or confidence to do this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to get your laptop repaired. Now, let's power it on. If it turns on, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your laptop. If it doesn't, it might be time to seek professional help. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, cleaning the motherboard and addressing corrosion can often revive a water-damaged laptop. Always ensure you're working in a safe environment and take your time with each step. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Your laptop can be saved with the right care and attention. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no house, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.